Welcome to Nurdi Kirathimo Eco Farm, a thriving oasis located in the dry quarries of Nakuru County. What started as a vision to overcome sandy soil and severe farming conditions has become a flourishing home to pigs, rabbits, and poultry, creating jobs, feeding the community, and building a sustainable income. Are you ready for a farm tour? Today, let's visit this beautiful farm in the heart of Nakuru City. Madam Josephine and her husband live in Norway, but their passion for farming inspired them to return to Kenya and actualize their dream. What seemed impossible, turning dry land into a vibrant farm, is now a beautiful reality. You probably know cassava does well in dry areas, but did you also know arrowroots can thrive there too?
So what you see here now, all this garden, it was just a field. It was just rocks and some dirt. So here's where we have the sweet potatoes, arrowroots, mangoes, avocados.
Nurdi Kirathimo Farm has it all: cassava, arrowroots, sweet potatoes, bananas, fruits and veggies. If self-sustainability was a person, Despite these successes, the sandy soils in what was previously a quarry presented a real challenge for the couple. Still, with a heart rooted in sustainability, Josephine used eco-friendly techniques to transform her farm's soil. For example, she nurtures the earth with natural fertilizers like rabbit urine, pig and chicken droppings, while Azolla helps fix atmospheric nitrogen. Embracing organic mulching and composting has created a fertile and resilient foundation that blossoms with life. The farm owners' dedication to regenerative agriculture boosts their farm's productivity and honors the harmony between nature and nurture. Ultimately, they have improved soil quality through innovation and commitment and found the right crops to thrive here. No wonder she can harvest arrowroots, cassava, sweet potatoes, bananas, azolla, and super Nappier grass all year round. Now, allow me to take you to her poultry farming unit. This couple has an impressive flock of ornamental birds, pure kienyeji chickens, geese, and ducks. Her ornamental birds aren't just beautiful, they are hardy and well adapted to the dry environment. The part I loved most about their birds was their cooling effect. Can you believe that they shed their feathers when it is hot and regrow them when it is cold? That's way too beautiful. It's almost like you and I removing a coat when it is hot and putting it back when it is cold. Y'all, that's so beautiful. Anyway, of all the animals on her farm, pigs are the most fascinating. Madam Josephine has a team of farm workers who understand the craft so well that they can achieve 60 to 100 kgs pig weight by month 5. The secret lies in their pigs' nutrition. With readily available azolla and super Nappier grass, the farm has mastered the art of producing their own quality feeds. Nurdi Kirathimo Farm makes pigs starters, growers, and finishers feeds. Keeping the pigsty clean and following a daily feeding routine has also enabled them to expand from 15 to 28 pigs, and they project to have around 300 pigs by December 2025. Now, let me take you to their rabbit farming unit, where the farm has around 45 rabbits that feed on pelleted azolla, sweet potato vines, and other green veggies on the farm. If you are a rabbit farmer, you probably tried feeding them fresh azolla, and being a picky animal, they might have rejected it. Madam Josephine and her team has, however, discovered the secret to feeding azolla to the rabbits. This is through pelleting the plant protein into something palatable and irresistible to the bunnies. Look at how much these folks enjoy this protein-filled aquatic plant. Isn't it just amazing to find an alternative to greens that regrows every 48 to 72 hours, especially in a dry place? You will never complain of feed scarcity again. Rearing commercial pigs Chickens and rabbits is a pain most farmers are experiencing because of the high cost of feeds. But you don't have to break the bank. Nordic Rathimo Farm Ventures has cracked this code by making their own feeds from scratch at the farm. The process started after watching my Azolla farming videos, sending their workers to my farm for training, and planting it on their farm. They now have 3 vibrant ponds where they harvest Azolla mixed with super Nappier grass, maize, and other ingredients to make their poultry, pigs, and rabbit feeds. The feeds making process involves choosing balanced ingredients for optimal nutrition. For instance, Azolla is a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's an excellent feed supplement for pigs, poultry, and rabbits, significantly reducing feed cost by 50%. Super Nappier, on the other hand, is a fast-growing high-protein forage rich in fiber that helps in animal digestion. Super Nappier, compared to the normal Nappier grass, has around 16% protein. The other benefit is that it grows so fast that a farmer can harvest around 4 times in the same cutting. Now, given this high growth rate, Madam Josephine realized that they could turn the fresh Super Nappier into silages and give them to pigs. I know most of you are used to silages being a feed product for the cows, but yes, this couple has tested it with the pigs and the progress is just amazingly good. You wanna try it for yourself? They sell the barrels and you can place an order. The combination of maize, Azolla, Super Nappier grass, minerals and vitamins form a complete balanced diet that boosts the couple's livestock health, enhances weight gain, and keeps feeding costs low. That is why farmers all over Nakuru County come to Josephine's farm to train and buy feeds. With everything I have shown you today, I know you are eager to take control of your poultry, pigs, dairy, and rabbit feeds costs. Now, worry no more. You can get ready Super Nappier silages, cuttings, or Azolla and enjoy your low farming costs too from Nordic Rathimo Farm Ventures. But wait. Before we end the farm tour, I must show you a hidden gem on the farm. Well, it's not hidden per se, but the chairman does it for your security reasons. On this unit, you must tiptoe because a minor noise trigger can endanger your life. Can you guess what this could be? An apiary. Yes, you guessed right. This farm is indeed heaven on earth. With plenty of roses, mangoes, grapes, bananas, and pomegranate flowers, an apiary comes in handy for pollination. In turn, the bees reward the farm owners with sweet, mouth-watering honey, which I've already tasted for you. But I know you also want to have a taste of this heaven on your table, and the deliveries are made countrywide. Now, Nordic Rathimo Eco Farm offers farm training on their different farm ventures and sells the products including the Super Nappier silages, cuttings, Azolla, honey, pigs, and bunnies. And you remember those ornamental birds that shed their feathers during the hot seasons? Those ones too. And if you would like some pure Kienyeji chicken, holla at them. You can reach them through my number 0714 186 270. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, share with your friends who would like to also learn more sustainable farming tips. Until next time, keep watching.